Welcome to a tour of my medium-tech, low-cost home network. I'll start with a PowerPoint overview and then do a physical tour. It all starts here with a DSL modem connected to a new ASUS router. Previously I had a G Wi-Fi router, but it gave me two problems. HD video playback had hiccups and large file transfers took too long. I struggled quite a bit getting the signal quality I wanted, and I'll show in a walkthrough how I solved that problem. Now there's a very strong signal on the first and second floor of my house and in my patio area. But for very large file transfers, there is a gigabit cable hidden underneath some furniture in my living room. Next is storage and application layers. There's dual Synology NASs with 7 terabytes of storage. It's on 24/7, requires a minimum amount of maintenance. There's a Stormtrooper case system here. It runs Windows 7, has 5 swap trays and external drives for offline storage and backups. There's 3 boxes like this with a little shelves in it for hard drive storage. For App Server, there's a killer laptop. It has an i7 processor with 7000 CPU mark score. It's got dual SSDs, Windows 64-bit as the host OS, VMware Workstation, and runs Linux and Windows Guest, and it's on 24/7. For the audio system, the killer laptop has a 3x audio splitter connected to 3 pairs of speakers with regular 3.5mm stereo cable. There's speakers in the basement, in the garage patio area, and in the living room. Since the app server runs Windows 7 as a host, I can run Spotify, iTunes, internet radio applications. The control is via terminal services on laptops, via Wi-Fi, or by turning speakers on and off and manually adjusting volume. For instance, the garage speakers are powered on with a light switch in the garage. Finally, here's a video layer and edutainment layer. Right now I get video from our rooftop over-the-air antenna. I have Hauppauge PVR software on a laptop here that stores shows to the storage system. Then I can play back the video on Wi-Fi in the first floor of my house or on the patio on computers. In the basement, the Stormtrooper system has a dual monitor system. There's a primary monitor on a Barcalounger and a secondary monitor on the LCD TV. So I can look for the program I want to play on the primary monitor, start it, and then drag it to the TV for playback, and then keep one eye on the monitor to Barcalounger for web surfing while I'm watching TV. There's also this, I call it my library study computer. It's got a 4K monitor. I use it for books, maps, photos, things like that. In fact, it's the machine that we're on right now. I'll give a short tour of it as well during the walkthroughs.